Good morning everyone, and today we're looking at the Citizen Eco-Drive men's watch, more specifically model number AW1158-05L. Quite a long model number that for referencing in a video, but for now we're going to have a brief look at the watch box itself. If anyone's glancing at this watch on my wrist, I've just done a review of this. It's the Hugo men's watch quartz watch. Not sure, I can't remember the model number, but I will put a video of that in the video above. Feel free to check that out. It's a really nice, stunning watch. Yeah. So for this video though, we're going to have a look at the Citizen's watch. A very sort of simplistic, cheap cardboard outside coating, just to sort of cover that that initial box inside the watch. So let's take it out of this one. And a nice little cylindrical shaped inside box to it, with that Citizen's sort of a mirror effect to the Citizen logo on the front, all the way around and on the top as well. It's got like this sort of tree oak card finish to it, ash sort of wood finish. Overall, it's a very nice, well presented box for the price point. So we can see we've got an indented sort of lip presentation to it. Really nice effect there, rather than being flat. So you could almost leave it like that and it'd just be presented for you. Inside the box, we've got what appears to be sturdy lined sort of fabric inside. Fairly decent manufacture to it. Does give a little bit of give here. Not like, say, a Rolex box where there's sort of no give at all. It's just pure cushion. You could see if you pushed this in quite hard, you'd break it. But overall, it's an excellent, nice little box with a good presentation factor to it. Right, moving on to the main event. So this is the Citizen Eco-Drive men's watch. Price point sits at around about £150. Weight of the watch weighs about 127 grams. Starting at the face, we've got a full blue theme here. Full blue theme with two thick luminous hands. Not sure if the second hand's going to be luminous or not, but it's two thick luminous hands and full luminous increments going around the side here. Colour operates on sort of a two-tone blue theme, a bit like, say, a Rolex Air King. It's got that dark blue here, and then a sort of a lighter blue in the middle here, and then sort of changes as you reflect the face around a little bit. We'll start without the light on. Glass type, mineral glass. Case thickness sits at 11.5 millimeters. Case diameter, actually it looks quite small, but it's actually quite big. It's 45 millimeters across. Waterproof to, I did want to check this. Waterproof to how many meters here? Not quite. Hang on a minute. Not quite sure. In terms of waterproofness, I'm probably going to say 50 meters. Yeah. So, operates on a quartz movement. Plain metal stainless steel mirror finish bezel, so no rotation to that. Lots of chrome and blue sort of effects around the watch. Good little complementing theme here between chrome and blue to match this chrome bezel here. Full stainless steel mirror effect casing all the way around here as well, and that Citizen's logo on the side with a mirror effect casing as well. Let's have a look at the clicks. You've also got a date function to this watch as well. It's just in the corner here, no Cyclops eye or anything to see it. Yep, nice little click there. Let's adjust the time to today. Wonder if let's just do it for this one. Nice little clicking mechanism to it. Citizen's always is one of those watches I'd say that you have to own and try out before you can say you're a proper watch collector. Same with a Sekonda as well. Regardless of the price point, you've got to try one out at a Rotary as well. They're all the ones you've got to have and try out before you can consider yourself a watch expert. So, looking inside the watch, obviously got a full increment scale here, like a seconds increments going around here as well, on like a 45-degree indentation here, rather than being straight up, it's to the side slightly and not flat. So it's slightly, it sort of enhances the look of the face and gets you to zero your eyes in on the side. Not often you see a 45-degree indentation within the side of the actual face. So that's quite a nice touch to see here. It's quite a nice thing to see. Right, going around the side. Strap is just a simple silicone bracelet with single gaps to hold those pins. Operate on a popper pin scale with double-ended popper pins in the side here, so you need to remove those and remove this one to be able to change the strap or whatever you want it to be. The straps itself is just a single silicone with like this swimming like effect to it on the side, with it indented windows for the popper pins to go into. Diameter of this strap is 22mm, standard men's strap size. Operating on a blue theme just to match that rest of the watch. The clasp itself operates on rather than a mirror finish, it has a matte lined stainless steel finish to it. Let's put this on and try it out. So we'll take this Hugo one off. Put this one on. So there you go, guys. That's how it looks on the wrist. That is the men's Eco-Drive, Citizen's men's Eco-Drive watch.